Vikramshila University ruins, echoes of an ancient seat of learning. Vikramshila University, located near Bhagalpur in the present-day state of Bihar, stand as one of the most significant remnants of India's rich academic and cultural heritage. Established in the late 8th and early 9th century by the Pala king Dharampala, Vikramshila was conceived as a primary center of Buddhism learning and comparable in the statures to Nalanda and Udantapuri. Today, its ruins offer a glimpse into a glorious past when Eastern India was flourishing hub of global education, philosophy, and intellectual exchange. The vast complex of Vikramshila once attracted scholars from across the India subcontinent as well as from Tibet, Nepal, and the other part of Asia. It gained particularly from fame for its specialized training in Vajrayana Buddhism and Tantric study. The university housed distinguished monks and scholars, among whom the most renowned was Atiksha Dipankar, the Buddhist master who later played a vital role in the revival of Buddhism in Tibet. This international promises made Vikramshila a vital cultural bridge between the India and the border of Buddhism world. The architectural layout of ruins demonstrate the sophistication of ancient Indian academic institutions. At the heart of the site lies a massive stupa surrounded symmetrically by the large square monastery with more than 100 rooms for monks and students. The main stupa believed the enshrine scared relics and stand on multiple terraces decorated with intricate brickwork and terracotta ornamentations. The remain of lecture hall, meditations chamber, pathway, courtyard, and residential cell indicate a well-planned campus environment conducive of learning and spiritual reflection. Excavations carried out by the Archaeological Survey of India has revealed a wealth of artifacts, terracotta plates, cell inscriptions, pottery, and structural remains that help historians reconstruct the academic life of the ancient university. The terracotta plaque in a particular depict scenes from Buddhism lore, human figures, and animal motifs, showcasing the artistic brilliance of the era. The decline of the Vikramshila came in the 12th century when repeated inventions led to the destructions of major Buddhism centers across North India. The university was eventually abandoned and its structure gradually succumbed to the time and neglect. Despite this, the ruins that survive today still reflect the grandeur of its glossary past. In fact, by the ASI and Bihar government aim to preserve and promote the site as a major historical and tourism destination. Visiting Vikramshila University ruins today is both an educational and spiritual experience. The silent corridor, where the stupas and sprawling brick complexes invite a visitor to imagine the vibrant scholarly community that once thrived there. As the testament of India's ancient intellectual tradition, Vikramshila stands not only as one of the archaeological treasures but also as a reminder of the country's pivotal role in shaping global knowledge and culture. The ruins of Vikramshila University continue to inspire historians, researchers, and travelers alike, offering a timeless connections to a golden age of learning that once illuminated the world.